Dookie. 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 And Donald Trump's hair. Think of these ingredients make Dookie. Dookie! Seriously? Yes, seriously, Dookie. I said Dookie. I don't get your face. Did I stunner? I'm a gully. Anyway. Everything falls back to you. You better take a dookie on yourself. Let me dookie on you. Everything falls back to you.
No sauce. And also a 1-piece nugget. No sauce. That'll be all. Thank you.
Dad, can you turn the music up?
What?
Can you turn the volume up? It's Dookie.
And everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
Let's like to my pencil.
Uh-huh. We'll see. That's ice, Elijah. It's not snow. What?
But my biggest stuff on them. So. Yes! Smell. What's that smell? What's that? That. Oh, it's hungry.
See that old lady we just passed by? Mm-hmm. That's why you need to do good in school and pay attention. Do y'all see it? Look at that lady's car.
Yeah.
What does it look like?
Trash.
It's not trash. The lady lives in her car. But she's homeless. So you need to pay attention and do your work in school and listen to your parents. Or you end up with no job, homeless, and with nothing. I don't think that y'all want to be that guy. Do y'all?
No.
That person, sorry. I don't want y'all to be homeless. money.
Yeah.
But when y'all become big, I'm not taking care of y'all.
Because we the adults now.
Me and your mom's gonna always help y'all, no matter if y'all are adults or not. But we're not gonna do it right for y'all. That's why y'all gotta start listening and learning to be dependent on yourselves. Stop waiting for people to do stuff for you. That lady sits out there every day and asks people for money so she can buy some McDonald's food. She's an old lady. That lady's old. She's not young like me. I'm still young. That lady's old. And when she gets a job, she's too old to work. She's an old lady. And she's homeless. She sleeps in there every day. Tomorrow when y'all get out of school, we're gonna go right back to McDonald's. And I'm gonna go. And you're gonna see that lady there again. She always sits there. She don't have no gas to put in her car. She don't have no food to put in her stomach. She don't have no money to buy new clothes. She got cardboards in the back. She's homeless. And that's what happens when you don't listen and when you don't pay attention and do good in school. Your life just becomes dookie.
I'm sorry, you just said
I'm not trying to be
dookie.
funny.
No, I know. I'm just. You
True.
just who's hitting the back of the seat? Me. Raja, please stop. He said dookie. Meow. But he is true. That's true. Do not do that, or you'll be homeless. Please stop.